Hello guys, this is Tnw own audio. It's too windy right now. I'm currently holding the tripod as it's too windy and I'm afraid it might fall. I'm at Seaport right now and this is the Tecno's own audio. Hello guys, this is the Tnw A37. Extremely windy audio if it's even working. Hello everyone. As you can see, the Tnw is literally the shirt you notice the Tnw. It's windy. Hello guys, this is me directly talking to the Tnw A37 in extremely windy conditions. As you can see, my entire t-shirt is flying and I'm holding the tripod to not fall. This is the Tnw A37 with a dead cat on it, and hopefully the audio is good. Hello guys, this is the Tnw A37 test in extremely windy conditions with a dead cat on my t-shirt. God, this is too windy.